Starting around August 20, 2023, Dogelon Mars explicitly is exchanging at $0.00000015 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.71%. In genuinely most recent 60 minutes, truly as opposed to prevalent thinking. Elon basically has an in every way that really matters, all-out market cap of $84,721,252, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $14,455,692, or so they by and large thought. This sort of makes Dogelon Mars, Elon, genuinely positioning at 262 in the digital money market in a fundamentally significant manner. On the off chance that you sort of are a crypto financial backer, and considering what truly is the Dogelon Mars cost forecast finish of 2023. What will Dogelon Mars by and large be somewhat worth in 2023 in an unobtrusive manner? Is Dogelon Mars a fundamentally wise speculation or by and large worth purchasing in 2023 in a genuinely significant manner? Will Elon cost especially outperform its untouched genuinely high in a fundamentally significant manner? These generally are our Dogelon Mars cost expectations for Elon's future, exhibiting that Elon most certainly has a complete market cap of $84,721,252, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $14,455,692 in an unobtrusive manner. Dogelon Mars, Elon, value expectation 2023. As per the Dogelon Mars figure cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the Elon cost really is supposed to cross an in every practical sense normal value level of $0.00000018, the normal genuinely least value worth of Dogelon Mars, toward the finish of the sort of current year, ought to by and large be $0.00000018 in a very enormous manner. Besides, Elon can in a real sense arrive at a fundamentally most extreme value level of $0.00000020 in an unobtrusive manner. Elon value figure August 2023. In August 2023, the cost of Dogelon Mars basically is estimated to, in a real sense, be at around an essentially least worth of $0.00000015. So these especially are our Dogelon Mars cost expectations for Elon's future, exhibiting that Elon in a real sense has a sort of all-out market cap of $84,721,252, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $14,455,692. Which fundamentally is very huge. The Dogelon Mars value worth can in a real sense arrive at a very limit of $0.00000017, with the truly normal exchanging worth of $0.00000016 in United States dollars, showing that will Elon cost for the most part outperform its unsurpassed especially high in an especially huge manner. Elon value gauge September 2023. In September 2023, the cost of Dogelon Mars basically is determined to sort of be at around a really least worth of $0.00000016, which is very huge. The Dogelon Mars value worth can generally arrive at a very limit of $0.00000017, with the kind of typical exchanging worth of $0.00000017 in United States dollars in an in every practical sense significant way. Elon value gauge October 2023. The Dogelon Mars conjecture for October 2023 expects that the Elon may fundamentally arrive at an especially greatest worth of $0.00000018, with a by and large least cost of around $0.00000017 in a kind of enormous manner. Discussing the sort of typical value Elon can by in large stretch around $0.00000017 for October, showing the way that the Dogelon Mars value worth can in every practical sense arrive at a very limit of $0.00000017, with the exceptionally normal exchanging worth of $0.00000016 in United States dollars, exhibiting that will Elon cost generally outperform its unsurpassed high, or so they most certainly thought. Dogelon Mars value gauge November 2023. In November 2023, the cost of Dogelon Mars is supposed to basically be at around a for the most part least of $0.0000017 and in every way that really matters, significant way. Dogelon Mars cost can generally arrive at a really limit of $0.0000019, with the truly normal cost of $0.0000018 in United States dollars, or so they essentially thought. Elon value estimate December 2023. Concerning December 2023, Dogelon Mars basically is supposed to especially arrive at an essentially least value worth of $0.0000018, which explicitly is very huge. The Elon cost could truly arrive at a really greatest cost of $0.0000020, with the kind of typical cost around $0.0000018, exhibiting how generally is Dogelon Mars an excellent venture or truly worth purchasing in 2023 in a very large manner. Dogelon Mars past value examination and the kind of beyond 24 hours, the crypto especially, has been in a real sense diminished by 0.65% in its sort of current worth. In the event that we really look at the for the most part current market cap of the Elon with yesterday's, you can explicitly see that the market cap explicitly is likewise down in a significant manner. Dogelon Mars certainly is confronting a quite tough time jumping aboard with truly other crypto coins, which fundamentally is genuinely critical. The Elon truly is down to nearly 1.37% in the fundamentally most recent 7 days, showing how Elon value conjecture August 2023. In August 2023, the cost of Dogelon Mars in a real sense is gauged to in a real sense be at around a fundamentally least worth of $0.0000015. So these basically are our Dogelon Mars cost expectations for Elon's future, exhibiting that Elon generally has a sort of complete market cap of $84,721,252, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $14,455,692 in an unobtrusive manner. The coin truly is as yet showing gambling with outlining sections for especially past sort of couple of days. The coin could especially have major areas of strength for exceptionally yet. We don't buy in large figure that it would a productive resource in truly present moment, exhibiting how Elon value conjecture September 2023. In September 2023 the cost of Dogelon Mars basically is determined to in every practical sense be at around a kind of least worth of $0.0000016, which especially is very huge. Dogelon Mars value conjecture 2023 facts. What will generally be Dogelon Mars really worth in 2023, as opposed to prevalent thinking? The Elon cost in every practical sense is estimated to especially arrive at a very greatest degree of 0.